Today's topic is something that is in every Indian's mind.
Ambani wedding and pre-wedding.
Bro, Anant Ambani. Everybody, all of us were in Jamnagar in February. There was a pre-wedding. Then there was a pre-wedding, and currently there's gonna be a wedding. But yeah, they have done so much in pre-wedding and pre-wedding. What is gonna happen in the wedding?
You know what's funny thing about the watch incident is, and the next day Facebook servers went while Zuckerberg was at the wedding eating biryani. Facebook went down.
Andrea Bocelli, Backstreet Boys came, Katy Perry came.
What? Welcome to another episode of NRI Non-Responsible Indians with myself, Pranay.
And me, Ajiti.
We are two Indians who live in the US. What are we trying to give our audiences?
Nothing, yaar. I mean, you have come here to waste time. We are going to make sure that you're wasting time in a productive way. And today's topic is something that is in every Indian's mind. हर भारतीय इसके बारे में सोच रहा है और सोच रही है. आप बोलो वो मुद्दा क्या हो सकता है? आप बताइए.
I have spent 0 hours thinking about this, but someone here is very excited.
You are such anti-national, no? Seriously.
What?
आपने अयोध्या का आपने लाइव टेलीकास्ट नहीं देखा, आपने आज तक को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया और अभी आप बोल रहे हो कि आप अंबानी के वेडिंग पे आपका कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है?
Ambani wedding and pre-wedding.
Bro, Anant Ambani. Everybody, all of us were in Jamnagar in February. And then not a lot of us were in Italy, even though there was a pre-wedding. Then there was a pre-wedding, and currently there's gonna be a wedding. But yeah, they have done so much in pre-wedding and pre-wedding. What is gonna happen in the wedding?
They love foreplay, I feel like, because they foreplayed so much.
So
इतना
much.
titilize किया हमको, titilize.
Very much. Oh my God. देखो, you don't know anything, yeah? Should I give you full information?
All I know is Rihanna was called, she danced, and
What did Rihanna call Radhika? बताओ तो.
Radhika.
No. तब तो कुछ होता, करोड़ रुपए लेके she said, congratulations to Anant and Radhaki.
Radhaki, ये तो Starbucks वाला हो गया. I got a coffee for Radhaki.
Everybody was like, यार, I mean, इतने पैसे लेके जा रही है तो नाम तो ठीक से बोल देती. And then Ori also took picture with Rihanna, and Rihanna danced, and then just like every other time Bollywood people do, they honestly, Ambanis are like that NRI uncle who is the ticket to all the like fun celebrities that Bollywood people have. कि अच्छा, अंबानी अंकल हमसे रियाना को मिलवा दो, हमको इनसे मिलवा दो, उनसे मिलवा दो. So Rihanna came, and then Janvi Kapoor was doing like twerking with Rihanna. All that shit happened in the pre-wedding. Then तो all the three Khans came. अनंत अंबानी ने सलमान खान को गोदी में उठा लिया. मार्क जकरबर्ग ने अनंत अंबानी का घड़ी को देख के बोला कि यार ये कितना अच्छा.
I saw that.
And then we all found out कि घड़ी का औकात बहुत ज्यादा है.
मतलब घड़ी का औकात काफी देशों के जीडीपी से
बहुत
कई गुना बड़ा है.
बहुत कहीं गुना बड़ा है.
You know what's the funny thing about the watch incident is, I was watching that same video where he's like looking at the watch and Anant Ambani is like, do you want to know how much this watch is or whatever? And the next day Facebook servers went while Zuckerberg was at the wedding eating biryani. Facebook went down.
Zuckerberg, इसको थोड़ा वो हो गया because he's also like, you know, he's never seen wealth like this before. Probably वो बोल रहा मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मेरे 5 घर लेके 10 जेट लेके हमको भी ऐसे करना है, हम तो
उसको
ऐसे
सदमा पहुंच गया, पूरे फेसबुक को सदमा पहुंच गया.
But the pre-wedding, all those other celebrities,
That's insane.
big ones came, and then they have a pre-wedding now where they are in Italy, and Italian people are complaining कि वो लोग वो Positano जहाँ पे हो रहा है, they cannot go to the shoreline or whatever the fuck because all these rich people have come and, like, you know, akhada bana ke they have put things there, which is also very funny that white people are saying how other people have come to their country and they have lost access. Bitch, taste of your own ass medicine, ho. Okay, anyway, so that's apart the fact. Andrea Bocelli sang at that pre-bash. Backstreet Boys came. Katy Perry came.
What?
Bro. So like, bro,
Backstreet Boys.
out of all of those statements, the fact that you were enamored by Backstreet Boys.
Well, I mean, they keep coming back. Backstreet's back. All
All
right.
right. They're Backstreet Uncle now. Did I ever tell you
हाँ,
that I knew Backstreet Boys was performing in Boston, so I took an overnight bus?
इतना die hard.
Because I was like, because somebody died before that. Oh, Aaron Carter died.
Oh, so you were kind of in your fields. You're
I
like,
was like,
मौका मिले या ना मिले.
ये कब टपक जाए मुझे पता नहीं. अभी है,
हाँ.
like दिल का शौक पूरा कर लेते हैं. So I went and I watched Backstreet Boys. It was Jingle Bell, some concert. They came at the very end and they sang like 3 old songs. They sang new songs. I was like, these new songs are so बेकार. Sing me old songs. So they sang 2-3 songs मगर दिल का भड़ास मैंने निकाल दिया क्योंकि I saw Backstreet Boys.
एक बार देख लिया ना, पर उसके बाद रियूनियन टूर.
एक
Yeah,
बार
but
देख
they've
लीजिए,
एक बार.
दीवाना बना दीजिए.
No, too many
जलने
expressions.
से
Too
यार.
many expressions.
Sorry.
You
Wait,
got.
hold on. I'm auditioning. एक बार देख लीजिए परवाना.
Dude, that's a skill. People made fun of her. I didn't like the
You
trolling.
you
Okay.
try, you try, you try.
Okay, but dialogues दो मुझे.
एक बार देख लीजिए परवाना बना दीजिए जलने के लिए ओ एक बार देख लीजिए दीवाना बना दीजिए जलने के लिए तैयार हम परवाना बना दीजिए.
परवीन भाभी. Okay, let's go. एक बार देख लीजिए. Wait, I gotta. एक बार देख लीजिए,
परवाना
परवाना बना दीजिए,
जलने के लिए तैयार हम.
जलने के लिए तैयार हम.
अरे उसके बाद दीवाना बना दीजिए.
दीवाना बना दीजिए, दीवाना तेरा.
And
I.
there's another dialogue like हमको खाना बनाना नहीं आता, सुबह को खाने में गजल और रात को खाने में शेर पेश करेंगे. और Pakistani people, like there were so many comments by folks from Pakistan. They are like,
Who can
why
speak
are you
Urdu?
talking like this? This is
Yeah.
how we speak in
Submit. Submit.
what is happening?
खजाना.
जुकाम है हमको. So yeah, that is that I mean Backstreet Boys for me was that एक बार देख लीजिए दीवाना बना दीजिए type.
हाँ.
So I saw
Good
them
यार.
perform and I'm like, damn, I mean Ambanis have raised the bar so much, right? So what is gonna happen at the wedding? Who do you think is gonna come?
Jadoo. That's the only one left. Like they are. I mean, they've done on Earth. They have gotten the biggest celebrities. I think the only people left are either Obama or Jadoo.
I was honestly going to say that हम साथ साथ है के ऊपर अगर वो ओबामा, शी जिनपिंग और अभी के लिए मोदी जी को अगर लेके आए और तीनों में डांस करवा दिया.
And Putin. Put
Putin,
him in.
Putin here. I am just thinking, bro, is Ambani the solution to world peace?
What if that's the plan?
What if Anant Ambani is the क्या है कि what फरिश्ता?
फरिश्ता.
अंबानी वो फरिश्ता है
जो रिश्ते बनाता है.
Oh,
I am also like Alamzeb. I am a poetess.
bro. Also, Hira Mandi got renewed for season 2. What even the fuck is gonna happen? I don't know. But dude, that's so cool. I think Anant Ambani is the solution to world peace.
Nothing mends ties like a nice, good dance at a Sangeet.
Seriously.
You know? Okay, tell me this. Say me this.
Say me.
In,
Actually,
let's
no,
say,
do you not wonder Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant Suhagrat? I cannot be the only one thinking about the most obvious thing over here. I cannot. I am ready to take the bait of being the perv who's talking about this, but you cannot tell me that people are not thinking about this, that it has not crossed.
Yeah, there is definitely a thought.
Shut up. You cannot be a thought. This has to be thoughts on thoughts. Ki Suhagrat mein Anant Ambani and Radhika. Dude, Radhika.
She's damn cute though. I find her damn cute.
So cute, bro.
He's also cutie pie though, but because have you heard him talk about his elephants?
Yeah.
No, I'm genuinely. He has this elephant project thing, and he's.
But come on, like she's a woman with needs.
maybe he just has just his
Enormous.
maybe his bank balance, the size of his bank balance is reflected in other things as well.
Bro, and also these are like really, listen, if Kardashians have so much money to change their facial structure on a daily basis, like their face gets updated more than iPhone. So I'm thinking if Ambanis have some sort of an endowment fund, if you know what I mean, that they have something going on, jahan pe Anant Ambani is like hella endowed, and he has access to some next level
Mm.
female pleasurement implanted in his body. We don't know.
Or he just has a very good personality.
Listen, personalities don't hit G spots. Okay?
Listen, you're very shallow, okay?
Fuck up, okay? Like,
So
come
shallow,
on.
too much shallow.
Come on. Mardangi, bro. Come on. She's a woman with
Yeah.
me.
I understand. But
But I'm also
there
saying
are,
that I think they have some rich people solutions to that.
I'm sure, maybe he's just a fucking hunk in bed.
That could be like he is just big dick energy, bro. Like big fucking dick energy.
He just knows how to cash her check. He really knows how to,
Not what you have, but what you do with it. You know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah.
you know what it is. So हो सकता है वैसे. Other than that,
They
she's just like, you know, marrying a plushy toy.
see, इतना मतलब fat shaming,
It's not fat
itna
shaming. I'm just
body.
saying he's cute. He's cute, but then
Listen, I used to be very chubby
yeah.
boy.
Oh, थोड़ा
I have a soft
yeah.
spot. I have many soft spots still in my body.
Cutie. So you're like, अच्छा ठीक है, okay fine. अच्छा ये तुम्हारे जहन पे लग गया ये personal.
Thoda bahut. Listen, I've been held by my love handles and raised as a trophy. So like, please,
You
love
this
handles are.
इसने personally ले लिया. He's like, I'm Anant Ambani fan club.
I'm rooting for him, bro.
Myself in you.
तुझ में रब दिखता है. मैं गाता हूँ whenever I see videos of him. I'm like, तुझ में रब दिखता है.
यार तुझे
That's why.
रबड़ी.
But you know, as soon as I saw Radhika Mochra, I'm like, wow, she is so cute. And I felt like I was winning. I was like, chubby boys are winning, bro. I know he has a gazillion dollars and I'm broke as fuck,
You really
but
saw yourself in him. You really did
I
see
did.
him. So if you care so much about this little boy, why are you not invested in his marriage now? So you have to be doubly invested.
Because I see myself in him, but then at some points I'm also like jealous, you know. He yet not jealous of what he the girl that he got or anything. Jealous because Mark Zuckerberg is seeing his watch and he's like, do you know? Like I don't have my Mark Zuckerberg. Mera kidhar hai?
You have the chubs without the money, is what you're saying, essentially. उनका मोटापा मेरे जैसा है मगर उनका पैसा मेरे पास नहीं.
I'm chubby, but my bank balance is not chubby. So
It's
I
the
need
bank
chub in
balance is
both.
size 0.
I need a chub in both. I need to be all around chub.
Okay. Yeah, you need to be loaded everywhere, is what you're saying. But yeah, I mean, I think, but you know what? I really do think Radhika Merchant loves him. And of course, the
Genuine
chatter
love.
on the
Yeah.
streets is that like, oh, she's marrying into richness. She's also a very rich person. But then when she did the whole देखा तेनू पहली पहली बार वे माही मैनू तेरे, the her face was so genuinely in love with him. So I really think they have something going on over there. I wish her well. I wish that she has a fulfilling life in every single way, that she's satisfied in every single way, and that Neeta Ambani again gets an opportunity to dance.
With sunglasses.
Yeah.
Isn't her ex like a hunk? Isn't he like a sexy beast?
What, Radhika Merchant?
Radhika Merchants, yeah. I
Radhika.
feel like I've
Oh,
seen
this is
her
the
like
second time you're talking about men. Are you sure? Like, has something changed?
this is Pride Month, no?
Oh, yes.
This is we want to take this opportunity to say Happy Pride Month.
Happy Pride Month. Even though this is coming out in July, that's another story.
Oh fuck yeah. Shit. Belated Happy Pride Month.
Happy Pride.
Radhika Merchant X. I bet I
Oh damn. Oh
uh-huh.
fuck. Oh yeah. रोहन मल्होत्रा में नाम से ही रईस लग रहा है यार.
ये है वो हीरा मंडी का जो नवाब है. I mean, he would be the perfect rebound guy
Yeah.
because literally you would rebound off
Yeah.
him.
Abhi, who's being a fat fuck right now?
Cut that, cut that. It was just a joke, just a
Huh?
joke,
Huh?
just
Who's
a joke.
doing all these jokes right now? हाँ, बहुत हमदर्दी जता रहे थे 2 मिनट पहले कि मैं भी I see myself in him and all that. चलो ठीक है.
Listen, I cannot.
Anand Ambani, I know you're surely watching this podcast.
Yeah, after watching this, I'm like, yeah, he must have had some issue, anger issues,
Yeah,
some
but
red
also
flags.
in case you didn't know the female perspective, the people who seem that they are going to be packing, they don't pack, and guys
Oh.
who don't seem to be packing, they pack. So for
Mm-hmm.
Pete Davidson, that man has, I think he's got a wonder dick. I think so, for real though. Like I think he's got some magic happening
Mm.
in the underworld to get all these women. And then hunk dudes, really, they don't have anything.
No,
So
but tell me about this about Pete Davidson, and I don't know how this relates to Ambani wedding, but I just want to ask because you are an expert in this field.
you should.
Literally, she is a PhD, not in this field, but like in relationships, in
The
what do you
nasty.
call it? Yeah, but like all of the
Yeah.
things that people don't talk about as much.
Mm.
But see, Pete Davidson, he's not approaching girls and being like, "Look at my dick." Like he, like there's something in him. He's obviously a comedian, so he's funny. That I'm sure is a huge factor for him to at least get the first date with a lot of these celebrity
Right.
females. That definitely draws them in. But then is dick size that big of a factor that they start dating him?
I mean, it was good enough for him to get Ariana to get engaged. They wanted the subscription to last, clearly. And then they canceled the subscription because just like Spotify, we keep playing the same songs over and over again. I'm like, okay, this is not enjoyable anymore. But I really do think I mean, he's a comedian, right? And like he doesn't subscribe, like usko kuch पढ़ी नहीं है, like you know, he's just like so out of the norms कि मुझे ऐसे politically correct बनना है, ये है वो है, तो वो pressure नहीं है. He's so like give no fucks. Think that's liberating for somebody like a Kim Kardashian, where half the people are scared to even approach her. So for a guy to have the guts to go up to her and like approach her, be like, you know, iske sath rahu ya na rahu, no harm, no foul. So I think that's
Fuck.
a good that's
Talking about speaking of who's going to be at the wedding,
Mm.
maybe Pete Davidson shows up and sweeps Neeta money.
Dude, oh. Also, by the way, Kim Kardashian has not come to this wedding. So maybe the Kardashians are gonna be there.
Okay, to wrap this off, let's do predictions, right? Ambani wedding predictions. Who do you think will show up at the wedding?
Mamta Banerjee. 100%. Mamta Banerjee is gonna be there. She's gonna fall in love with Amit Shah.
Oh no. I don't want to watch. What genre of porn is this? I don't want to watch it.
Political porn.
Political.
So that's happening. I think Obama for sure is coming. Trump for sure is coming. I think there are going to be some race car drivers. Some of those people are going to come.
Race car driver.
Like
Remember that movie?
wale.
Remember that movie Tara Rampam?
Yes. And like apparently Saif Ali's son is also doing the rounds. I've seen. Have you seen?
He's like the Ibrahim Qadri for Shah Rukh Khan. He's the Ibrahim Qadri for Saif. His own son.
Seriously. No, but I think Obamas for sure are going to come. All the people who have come before are going to come again. And new ones में Modi ji for sure. Melanie तो लेके आएगा ही Modi ji this time. Yeah,
he's going to slide into a DMs and be like,
100%.
Do you want to know the election results?
Yes. And I also think that this is not going to be a one-day wedding. It's going to be like a whole tiered wedding. Yeah, week to for sure. Yeah, week to for sure. So I think it's huge. One wedding is going to skyrocket at GDP, Sensex. This is going to be it. And of course,
I think my big prediction is that Elon Bhai is going to arrive in his cyber truck and they're going to do bidai in his cyber truck.
Oh, Elon के बारे में तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं. हाँ, सच में.
Yeah.
भी आएगा शायद. Dhruv Rathi.
Bro, I just found out about him.
Really? Okay. He's the
what is his
He's
deal?
the Robin. We don't have time for him. He's the Robin Hood of India.
Acha.
हमको बुलाएंगे क्या?
We can
नैन्सी
gate
त्यागी को
crash.
बुलाएंगे क्या? नैन्सी त्यागी ये सब, तुम्हारा भी तो चांस है, 150,000 फॉलोअर्स लेके बैठे हो अभी।
160.
तो ओ हो, अब की बार 400 पार आपके साथ। अच्छा, सो यू स्टिल हैव चांस, मुझे +1 करके लेके जाना प्लीज,
No, no.
+2 अगर मैंने।
Listen, Instagram, if there's a tier of celebrities, I'm like in the basement ka basement. I'm the most chindi.
बट यू कैन बी द अंडरडॉग नो, जिन लाइक 10 फ्री पासेस आपको एक तरस खा के दे दिया।
हम खाने के like this 3 days ना when they go to the शादी खाना
एक
खाने.
बार देख लीजिए, टिकट दे दीजिए।
एक
स्नैप
रील देख
एक रील करने के लिए तो।
देख.
अरे क्या खाना बनेगा यार गुजराती इसमें वेडिंग में, इट्स गोना बी ऑल वेज।
Dry. Yeah, but I have Gujarati connection.
কোথায়? ও হ্যাঁ, ও মাই গড, আচ্ছা বাট ইউর গুজরাটি স্কুল গুজরাটি তো, দে হ্যাভ মাছ
They
মছলি।
have everything. They have everything. But someone told me I'd posted a photo of my fiance. And but her
डॉक्टर
dad.
नताशा गांधी, ओके।
Yes, she's a
डॉक्टर
doctor.
जी,
Doctor.
डॉक्टर जी।
But and her I posted a photo of her dad, and someone said you're marrying into Ambani because he looks very much like Mukesh Ambani.
He really does though. He really does.
Yeah.
Yeah. He really does look like Mukesh Ambani. So
So
our
हमारा भी
Anant Ambani, in multiple reasons, you are Anant Ambani now. Moral of the story is you are Anant Ambani. अच्छा ठीक है, चलो ऑन दैट नोट वी शुड कंक्लूड दिस। अगर आपका कोई प्रिडिक्शंस है who's going to be in Pranay / Anand's wedding, please drop it in the comments and let us know about your thoughts about Anand's wedding. We are excited. I'm excited to see.
pre-wedding, pre-wedding, and wedding. Yes. Chalo. Bye.